In this video, my goal is to use dollar store supplies and make Christmas decor that doesn't look dollar store-esque. I'm Anna. Thanks for clicking on this video. Each of the projects is indexed so you can easily find them and jump back and forth. Well, with that said, let's get to the video. There's some pretty amazing ideas on Pinterest, and this is one of them. Okay, this looks like just some random things from the dollar store. It kind of is, but some genius out there has put this together to make a candy bowl. Like the cutest, like a gumdrop candy bowl. So what it is you take these clay pots, flip them upside down, take this glass vase, put it on top. Are you seeing where we're going with this? And then you take the little dish from the clay pots and you put it on top. Okay, now I like stack, like there's like 2 pots and 3 lids, but no, like, doesn't that look awesome? Genius. And then you put like a little knob on top. Now this knob's not from the dollar store. I'm not really sure I'm gonna use it. It's really kind of big. It's cool, but it's just big. So I haven't decided on what knob. So I'm gonna start by spray painting it white, but I'm gonna add little things to make it a little bit Christmassy. So spray tent time. So my little base is nice and dry, it's shiny and white, it looks kind of Christmassy, and I'm ready to glue on my little bowl. And it just will fit so perfect. And I will glue it on with some E6000. Just cause, I mean, when my hand's going in here trying to get those eggies, I have to make sure this is very, very solid. So I'm just gonna flip it over and add just a ring of glue on the edge, because this dips down and there's no point in putting any in the middle. So I'm just gonna do the edge. All right, I'm just gonna push this to the side and let it dry. It's really looking like a little gumball machine. It's so cute. And I can focus on the lid. Now, I did originally want to try to find a plastic lid, and I did. I went to several stores, and I mean, they're great for like little saucers like they're supposed to be, but none of them could work really. They just didn't look right. They looked really thin, and they looked really, really like saucers. So I'm sticking with this little clay one, and I did find in my stash the cutest little ceramic knob that I think would just look adorable on top. Like that just ties us all up. So the problem is I don't want to glue this on because I'm afraid that like if the glue lets go at any point and I'm lifting this and it's ceramic over glass, I just feel like I might chip or break, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm for sure going to be screwing this on just to make me feel more comfortable with it. And that means if I'm screwing it on, I need a hole here. So I had 3 of these lids and I was like, okay, I'm gonna just go try it out. I've never drilled or cut tile at all, and this is similar to tile, but I was doing it. See? Here's the hole. So now I can actually screw this on, but first I have to spray paint it white. And then I have to find a little piece of felt. I'm gonna buy some white felt just to protect this when I'm putting the lid on and off. I don't want to chip my cute little gumball machine thing. So spray paint. I've picked up some felt. My lid is all spray painted, so I'm ready for assembly. I'm just gonna cut out my felt circle, and then I'm gonna use Super 77 to attach it because that's really sticky. And then I can add my little knob. Okay. It protects the glass, like it stays right on the glass edge. Okay, perfect. So now just to attach my little knob, and let's just see what it's gonna look like. My candy jar's all done. Okay, it doesn't look particularly Christmassy right now other than being white. So I want to add just a little bit of zhuzhing to kind of give it that Christmas feel. So I picked up some elastic cord at the dollar store, and I bought these on Temu, but you can get little, they're just wooden beads. You can get them at the dollar store too. I just thought these were really cute because they're painted, and I can't paint. They have like little snowflakes and plaid patterns. I can't paint that. So I'm going to just add just a little bit around his neck, give him a little necklace using these adorable beads. And then I have a snowflake to attach that I painted white. So that'll make it look wintry or Christmassy. And then I get to fill it with candy. And that'll really make it look Christmassy. This next decor piece is super, super easy. You only need like 4 things. You need a candlestick, a little tree, some glue, and then spray paint, whatever color you want. I'm gonna be using white because that's what goes with my decor, but you're just gonna attach it together and then spray paint it. But it's one of those items that, you know, when you have like a little, you set up a little vignette and you have like a candle and you have like some kind of a tree, maybe like a brush tree, and then you need one more thing, but you can't add another candle, you can't add another, you need something that just fits in there. Well, this is what's going to work. So you're just gonna attach this together and then spray paint it. But I have to pop off the bottom, which is already coming off. And so I'm just gonna pop this off and then glue it on. Oh, it's making some noises. There, and it's off. This is supposed to be a light. I don't know. Yeah, I don't even have the battery for it, so don't need that. Don't need the label. And now what I do need to do is glue this together. So like this, it looks kind of weird, but when it's spray painted, ooh, this is gonna look good. Okay, E6000. You don't have to use E6000. You can use hot glue. I just like to be extremely like over the top. I just want to make sure that I'm not gonna like knock it off. So yeah, E6000 time. Ooh, that sits on really well. So now I'm just gonna leave it for about 20 minutes and then spray paint. Another really quick dollar store decor idea for Christmas are these Boxwood balls. These ones are $4 from Dollarama, and like up close you can tell they're plasticky, but like from a distance they're really kind of cute. I don't know. You can even put fairy lights through them, like if you had like just kind of straw. I thought that might look cute too. But what I wanted to show is that like if you have a pot that is between 5 inches and 6 inches, it will look really, really good. So this white one here is actually from the dollar store, and this is the 5-inch pot, and look how cute. It does sit a little like above the pot, but like it's really, this is cute. Like you could just do this. This little sign here says peace. It's just paper, and then it has like a leather strap, but whoa, that's just, I mean, you can put that on a table right away. And then this is my favorite one. This is the 5.5 inch. Let me just double check that I said it was 5.5. Yep, this is the 5.5 inch, and it just sits perfect. Like this is, so if you have any 5.5 inch little pots, this works perfect. Yeah, I know it's pink. Pink is not my color, but I'm going to spray paint it, and I want to make it kind of metallic-y looking. So this, how cute would this look like on a table? And I have 2 of these pots and 2 of these. So that's what I'm going to be doing, just spray painting this. And I just think that'll look so cute. Now, this one here is 6.5 inches. And I just wanted to show you how it kind of looks like, it looks okay, but it does look a little lost. Like he looks like he's just floating in there. That's why I say you'd use between 5 inches and 6 inches. I think 5.5 is the perfect size. But if you go bigger, it might look a little bit lost. You might have to add some more things around. But I just want to spray paint this and then put it together and just So cute and so easy. Oh, you're gonna look so much better when you're not pink. I picked this cloche up at Dollarama for $1.50, which I thought was kind of cheap for Dollarama, but I want to make it look vintage, like an old vintage cloche, and it's plastic, and plastic does not say vintage at all. So my first step is going to be to spray paint this silver. I think it'll look amazing in gold, just gold doesn't match my decor, but okay. A little bit of spray painting to make this not look like it's plastic. Oh, I think you're going to look good. I've got some ideas for you. All right. Originally, I said I was going to antique this, but when I spray painted this, it turned out so perfect. Like, it looks like it came from the store. Like, it's so good. And I'm afraid that if I add anything else to it, I'm just going to ruin it. Like, I wanted to add rub and buff and kind of age it up a little, but I just feel like I'm going to ruin it. And it looks so good. I feel like I need to go and buy another one and age that one. But this one, I'm just leaving like this. I've thought about it for a few days, left it alone, just kind of went back and forth. But no, it's staying like this. So it's going to be not so antique, but it's gonna look super cute because I'm going to turn this into a dry snow globe, like a waterless snow globe. I'm gonna put the little top on. Oh, that's gonna be awesome. So what I have is this Village accessories from the dollar store, and there's lampposts, which I thought were really cute, but I mean, they so look dollar store, but I'm gonna fix that up. I have 2 rub and buffs here, one that I've never used, which I'm totally excited about, and it's ebony, so it's this black. I've never used this one. It sounds like it's gonna be awesome. And then of course I have silver leaf. So I'm going to take my 2 rub and buffs and kind of try to make these plastic bits look less plasticky. So I think I'm just going to use the lamppost. I just don't want it to look like this. Ooh, you can easily get these out. Yeah, it's super plasticky. Yeah. But it's still cute. It has potential. So what I want to do is just make it look like it's not this cheap. I think I can do that. All right, I'm gonna start with the black rub and buff. I want to add some greenery here. I just like this originally was, but I really don't like this. And then there's this one that came in the set, but I don't like that one either. So I think I can make something out of this little random branch that I have from something. I think if I cut off a couple pieces, I can make like a little swag. And then I have these 2 little embellishments. I think I prefer the Noel one. It's just like a, I don't know, brad nail thing. So I think I'm gonna attach this with 2 little clips of this to make just like a little swag. Okay, this is cute. Way better. Way, way better. So here's the before and after. This is the one that's still straight out of the box, this one right here. And then this is the one that I kind of zhuzhed up a little. Like you can even tell like it looks less plastic. I don't know how well you can tell on camera, but it does. It really does look way better. Just so cute. Aww. All right, so this is where I'm at. I have a really, really cute lamppost, which I love. So do I keep adding? Like I'm definitely a less is best kind of person. So, okay. So here's my idea. I could add one of the trees that came with the set. The greens totally don't match. And why would you have such a tiny little tree next to such a big lamppost? That seems weird. Then I thought, oh, I could do presents. And if I painted these blocks to look like presents, kind of something like this. And I really like this idea, except I don't know, it just doesn't seem right. And why would you leave presents next to a lamppost? I know this doesn't need to make any logical sense, but it just seems weird to me. So I think I'm just going to have the lamppost. Just be the lamppost, and then the lid, and then my snow. I still think my whole idea of less is best. I know it looks boring sometimes, but I just think this is most me. So this is what I'm gonna go with. And I am not going to use hot glue to secure this. I am going to use E6000 because I know someone is gonna be like, whoa, look, this, and shake it, and that person may just be me. So I am gonna use E6000. Now, one thing I did wanna show is there's a hole, like right in the middle of this. So you can put fairy lights through. I just don't think fairy lights are gonna work with my little lamppost. I was kind of hoping he had a hole all the way up and I can have fairy lights running through, but that was wishful thinking. Let's try to center this. Okay, I'm just going to leave this to set. It takes about 20 minutes, and then I can add my fake snow. This seems pretty solid. So, oh my gosh, it's so cute, seriously. Okay, now for the snow globy part. I bought this shredded snow from the dollar store, and I'm going to add a few spoonfuls into my wash part. I usually use like the buffalo snowflakes, and I did have them. I just don't know where they are. So I'm gonna try this. This is a new to me product. Now it's kind of plasticky. It's like shredded plastic. No, it needs a little more. Okay, so this looks like a decent amount. And let's attach them. Okay, maybe I did a little too much, but, and now I need to stick it on better, but let's take a little bit out. Oh, that's cute. This will look so good downstairs on my, I think my coffee table next to a candle. It's so cute. This turned out actually really good. The snowflakes, I mean, I think the white ones would look better, but this isn't bad. Let's go style this. Dollar stores carry some things that I might not recommend you decorate your home with, but they also carry items that with a little creativity can be super cute. Well, I hope this video inspires you to make something super cute. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. Happy crafting, happy holidays, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! In this video, my goal is already to mess up the intro. Each of the projects is indexed, so you can jump in back. You can jump in back, because I now make up new words. It's always so funny how tidy it looks here, and then I look around and I'm like, ah! Ooh. Oh, I have not been able to find eggies. I found mini eggs, the Christmas ones, but not eggies. And I've been to like a few stores, I even looked online. So is there like a ban in Canada on eggies? Because I mean, we're pretty chill people, but we need our chocolate. So there may be a revolt if I don't find my eggies. I'm gonna keep looking, but yeah, that's really sad. It's like heartbreaking, but yeah, I'm gonna keep looking because that's why I'm making this. Pretty much just for eggies. If I don't find eggies, I will resort to peanut M&Ms. I like eggies better than mini eggs, but I did a taste test and that is just the way I feel.